Rico?
Ito ko ngayon!
Okay, thank you.
Papa, gutom na kasi ako eh.
Hindi, kukunin na natin yung lab results sa mama mo. Tapos pwede rin tayong kumain.
A powerful earthquake hit the Philippine island this morning.
Tapos mo ba yung recent seismic events bago lumindol?
There have been reports of a building collapse in Brook Tract.
Malakas ang intensity scale.
At approximately 9:45 this morning, niyanig tayo ng lindol. Maraming lugar at gusali ang naapektuhan dulot ng pagyanig.
Hindi namin kayo bibiguin at wala kaming tatalikuran. Ito ang sinumpaan naming tungkulin.